Have you already been hacked? Let's find out. Open your browser and type haveibeenpwned. Click the first link which will take you to this website, as you can see. When you're there, you can type your email address, and this will check if your email has been found in any breaches or has been leaked. You can see that my email has been pawned. It has been found in 2 breaches. Here are some few tips to keep your account secure. As you scroll down, you can see the breaches associated with your email address. As you go further to the bottom, you can see some of the biggest security breaches in history that led to leakage of email addresses, phone numbers, security numbers, home addresses, passwords, and so much personal information that could be dangerous in the wrong hands. Let's have a look if my second email address has been involved in any breach. Good news! My email address is safe from any breaches and hasn't been compromised. There is also another feature right here where it's written passwords. You can just go ahead and type your password to see if it has been found or involved in any security breaches. I'll be writing the password as password123, which is a very common unsafe password to use. You can see that the password has been seen 294,737 times before, meaning it's an easy password that can take an attacker just a second even to guess it. Right here we also have an additional feature that lets us put our email address so that we can get notified when our email address has been found in any breach, and it's totally for free. That's all I had for today. Goodbye and stay safe.